Hi students, good morning. Now welcome back our favorite video channel HGVS BRK. Now today, this time we have to discuss the topic is 3D geometry. Now here in this topic, we have to discuss the problems will came in JEE Mains February 2021 session. Now here let us discuss chapter wise solutions in JEE Mains 2021. Now this time we have to take the topic is 3D geometry, which is very important topic and very easiest problems will come in this topic. So here the first problem. Now the equation of the plane passing through the point 1, 2, minus 3 and perpendicular to the planes 3x plus y minus 2z equal to 5 and second plane is 2x minus 5y minus z equal to 7. So which is very clear. This is direct question. Here one point is given and two planes are given. Now here let me take as the point is x1, y1, z1 and also the direction ratios of the first plane 3, 1, minus 2, the coefficients of x, y, z. Similarly the direction ratios of second plane that are 2, minus 5, minus 1. Now using the formula, equation of plane equals to determinant of the formula is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 equal to 0. Here we take the determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Here we observe that x1, y1, z1 is the given point. A1, B1, C1 are DRs of first plane that are coefficients of x, y, z. Similarly, A2, B2, C2 are coefficients of x, y, z, 2, minus 5, minus 1. These are also direction ratios of the second plane. Now we substitute in that one determinant of x minus 1, y minus 2, z plus 3, minus of minus 3 plus 3. A1, B1, C1, 3, 1, minus 2. A2, B2, C2, 2, minus 5, minus 1, which is equals to 0. And simplifying the, so here we take cross multiplication. 1, 1 is minus 1, minus 10. So minus 11. Minus 1, minus 10, minus 11. So minus 11 into the first element x minus 1 in the first row. Similarly, we take minus of, so 3 1 is 3, minus 3 plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4 means plus 1. Already in second term it contains minus, so minus 1 into y minus 2. Similarly, we take this cross multiplication. 3 5 is minus 15, minus 2, minus 17. So minus 17 into z plus 3 equal to 0. And simplifying that, here this is minus 11x, this is minus y, this is minus 17z. The constants are plus 11, plus 2, minus 51. So here this is 13, 51 minus 13, that is 8, 4 minus 1, 3. So minus 38. So minus 11x, minus y, minus 17z, minus 38 equal to 0. Now multiply with minus 1, 11x plus y plus 17z plus 38 equal to 0. Now in that option, 11x plus y plus 17z plus 38. So second option is the correct answer. So this is the solution. Here we observe that the direct formula, determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1 and a1, b1, c1 are direction ratios of first plane, a2, b2, c2 are direction ratio of second plane. Now this is using direct formula, very important, so many times given in this type of problems. Write down this solution. Now the next problem. Here the distance of the point 119 from the point of intersection of the line x minus 3 by 1 equal to y minus 4 by 2 equal z minus 5 by 2. and the plane x plus y plus z equal to 17. Here to find distance between the point 119 from the point of intersection of one line and plane. Here given one line and plane. Now to find point of intersection of both the line and plane, and also to find distance between the point 119 and point of intersection of line and plane. Now first of all we have to find point of intersection of line and plane. Now we take the line. So given line x minus 3 by 1 equal to y minus 4 by 2 equal to z minus 5 by 2. Now let it be taken as some k. Now here any point on the line is, here we take x equal to 1 into k plus 3. This is x coordinate. Similarly 2k plus 4 y coordinate, 2k plus 5 z coordinate. Now this is any point on the line. Now clearly this point, here to find point of intersection of both the line and plane. Now clearly this point substitute in that plane, then we get the value of k, and substitute the value of k in that point, that is the point of intersection of line and plane. So here the given plane is x plus y plus z equal to 17. Now here this point will be substituted in that one. Then we take k plus 3 plus y means 2k plus 4 plus z means 2k plus 5 equal to 17. That means 2k plus k, 3k plus 2k, 5k. Now here 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. So 17 minus 12, that is 5. Now from this one, the value of k is 1. Now we substitute the value of k in that point. Therefore, the point of intersection equal to, substitute k value 1 plus 3, 2 into 1 plus 4, so 2 plus 4, 2 into 1 plus 5, so that is 2 plus 5. So 4, 6, 7. So 4, 6, 7 is the point of intersection of the given plane and line. Now we substitute distance between the given point 119 and 467. Using the distance formula, square root of 4 minus 1 whole square plus 6 minus 1 whole square plus 7 minus 9 whole square. Now that is 4 minus 1 means 3 square, that is 9. 6 minus 1 means 5 square, that is 25. 7 minus 9 means minus 2 square plus 4. So 29 plus 9 square root 38. So this is the distance of the point 119 from the point of intersection of both line and plane. So our option is fourth option. So fourth option is the right answer. Write down the solution. Now the next problem, that AB belongs to R. So A and B are real numbers. If the mirror image of the point A69 with respect to the line x minus 3 by 7 equal to y minus 2 by 5 equal to z minus 1 by minus 9 is 20b minus a minus 9. Here this is the point, this is the mirror image, this is the image of the point 20b minus a minus 9 with respect to this given line. Now here in these 2 points, x coordinate is a, in that y coordinate is b. Now here to find the values of a and b and substitute in the modulus, then we get the answer. We go to the solution. In that first we take these 2 points. The point P is A69 and this is the line, and this is the point Q. This is 20 B minus A minus 9. Now here Q is the image of P. Q is the image of P. Now clearly we join these two. So here we have to observe the line bisects the line joining points PQ. The line bisects the line segment PQ. Now let it be taken as R. Clearly R is the midpoint of PQ. Now here R is any point on the line L. So R is one of the point or any point. Now here already the line is given in symmetric form. Now we get one point, any point on the line. So given points are P A 69, Q 20B minus A minus 9. So here given line is x minus 3 by 7 equal to y minus 2 by 5 equal to z minus 1 by minus 9. Now here also we have to take some k. Any point on the line, that is Q equals, that is R. So R equals to, here we write 7k plus 3, 5k plus 2, minus 9k plus 1. 7k plus 3, 5k plus 2, minus 9k plus 1. Now here we have to observe R is the midpoint of PQ. Since R is midpoint of PQ. So PQ points already known. So here we take A plus 20, x1 plus x2 by 2, A plus 20 by 2. Here we take 7k plus 3. Here x coordinates are comparing with x coordinates. Similarly y coordinates. 6 plus b by 2 equals to here 5k plus 2. Similarly z coordinates 9 minus a minus 9 by 2 equal to z coordinate is minus 9k plus 1. Now in that we write a plus 20 equal to 14k plus 6. Here also 6 plus b equal to 10k plus 4. Here 9 cancel. A equal to, here multiply with minus 2, that is 18k. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. So here we have to observe A equal to 14k minus 6 minus 20, that is 14. B equal to 10k, 4 minus 6, minus 2. And also A equals to 18k minus 2. Now we have to observe first one and third one. First one and third one. These are the values of A. Equating these two. Now equating first and third one. These are the values of A. That is 14k minus 14 equals to 18k minus 2. From this one, 18 minus 14, 4k equals to minus 14 plus 2, minus 12. From this one, 18 minus 14, 4k, minus 14 plus 2, minus 12. So k equal to minus 3, 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja. From this one, A value 18k minus 2. That equals to 18 into minus 3 minus 2. So minus 54 minus 2 minus 56. Similarly B value 10k minus 2. So 10 into minus 3 minus 2. So minus 30 minus 2. So minus 32. Now here mod A plus B. Then we take mod minus 56 minus 32. So mod minus 88. So that is plus 88. So this is the solution. Now the next problem, the vector equation of the plane. Here to find the vector equation of the plane passing through the point of intersection of given two planes, and also that plane passing through one point also. Now first of all, here the vectors can be converted into coordinate system and it can simplify in them. So clearly first we take the equation of the plane passing through the given two planes. So solution, given planes are, here directly we have to take coordinating system, x plus y plus z minus 1 equal to 0, and the second one x minus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. Now here to find the equation of the plane passing through these two. Therefore equation of plane passing through point of intersection of given planes, that is x plus y plus z minus 1 in plus some constant k into x minus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the plane. Now clearly this plane passing through one point 102. Since the above plane passes through 102. Now here substitute in place of x, y, z 102. That is 1 plus 0 plus 2 minus 1 plus k into 1 minus 2 into 0 plus 2 equal to 0. Now here this is 1 cancel, this is 2 only. In that 1 plus 2 3. So 3k equal 0. From this one k value minus 2 by 3. K value is minus 2 by 3. Now we substitute minus 2 by 3 in the given plane, in the required plane. From now let it be taken as 1. From equation 1, here substitute the value of k. X plus y plus z minus 1 plus means minus 2 by 3 into x minus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. Now from this one we have to observe this is 3x minus 2x x. Similarly 3y plus 4y 7y. Similarly this is 3z. In that we have to observe this is minus 3 minus 4 minus 7 equal to 0. Now from this one here it can be converted to vector equation. Now vector equation of the above plane is r bar dot I cap plus 7j cap plus 3k cap equals to 7. So r bar dot I plus 7j plus 3k equal to 7. So third option is the right answer. So this is the direct question. Now the next problem. Here this is very easiest problem. Now in DCs and DRs, here this type of sum in IP public given in IP public examinations, which is for 7 marks problem, long answer. Now here alpha is the angle between the direction quotients of the given two equations, that are n plus m minus n equal 0, l square plus m square minus n square equal to 0. Now here the value of, to find the value of sin power 4 alpha plus cos power 4 alpha. First of all, to find angle between the given two lines. Now, here the given lines are given equations are L plus M minus N equal to 0. From that one we write N equal to L plus M, which is equation 1. And the second condition, L square plus M square minus M square equal to 0. Now this means, here we substitute L square plus M square, N value already found in from first equation, then we take minus of L plus M whole square equal to 0. From this one, this is L square plus M square, this is A plus M whole square formation, L square minus M square minus 2LM equal to 0. In that, L square, M square will be cancelled. Then we take 2LM equal to 0. That means L equal to 0 or M equal to 0. Now, first we take L equal to 0, case 1. If L equal to 0. Here L equal to 0, then from 1, M equal to N. From this one we have to write L by 0 equal to M by 1 equal to N by 1. Similarly, case 2. If M equal to 0, then from 1, M equal to 0 means then from 1, L equal to N. Here we write L by 1 equal to M by 0 equal to N by 1. Now we have ds of two lines. Ds of two lines are 0, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 1. Now here alpha is the angle between the lines. So here we know that cos alpha equals to, here we take L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 by square root of L1 square plus M1 square plus N1 square into L2 square plus M2 square plus N2 square. Here L1 M1 N1, L2 M2 N2 are direction ratios. Now here we take L1 L2, 0 into 1 plus M1 M2, 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1 by, here this is 0 plus 1 plus 1. In that also we write 1 plus 0 plus 1. This is modulus. Now we take 1 by root 2 into root 2. That is 1 by 2. Now here cos alpha value 1 by 2. Cos alpha value is 1 by 2. Similarly, sin alpha. Sin alpha equals to, here we take square root of 1 minus cos square alpha. So 1 minus 1 by 4. So that means cos alpha 1 by 2, cos square means 1 by 4. Square root of 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. That means root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Now we have to find cos sin power 4 alpha plus cos power 4 alpha. That equals to sin power 4. That means here we take root 3 by 2 whole power 4 plus cos power 4, 1 by 2 whole power 4. So here square will be cancelled, remaining value 3 square, that is 9 by 2 power 4, 16, here 1 by 16. So that is 9 by 10 by 16. 10 by 16 means 2 5 is 10, 2 8 is 16, 5 by 8. So third option is the right answer. Now the next problem. Here a plane passes through the points A, B, C. If O is the origin and P is the one point, then the projection of OP on this plane, is of length, is dash. Here one plane passes through 3 points. Now we are using the 3 points to find equation of plane. Now we go to the solution. Equation of plane is directly the formula will be used here. That is determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 equal to 0. Now we are substitute the points. The first point 1, 2, 3, x minus 1, y minus 2, z minus 3, x2 minus x1, 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 1 minus 3, minus 2. Similarly, x3 minus x1, 2 minus 1, 1, 4 minus 2, 2, 2 minus 3, minus 1. And it can be simplified. So here minus 1 plus 4, that is 3. So 3 into x minus 1. Similarly in that minus 1 plus 2. So plus 1, that is minus of y minus 2. Similarly in that 2 minus 1, 1. So plus 1 into z minus 3 equal to 0. Now here we write 3x minus y plus z, the constants. This is minus 3, this is plus 2. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 3, minus 4. So this is the equation of the plane passing through given 3 points. Now here diameters of this plane, diameters of the plane are 3, minus 1, 1. Similarly, here if O is the origin and P is the point, here we take so this is the O point, this is the P point. Clearly we observe this is the one line. Now here to find projection of OP. Projection of OP is, now we draw normal lines on the x-axis. So this is OQ. So O dash P. So here to find the projection of OP. OP means length of the OP. Clearly we have to observe this length is always equal to this length. Now here the projection is on the plane, xy plane. The projection is on the some xy plane. So here to find ds of the plane and also to find ds of the line. Now here the ds of the line means already given. Origin is will be already known. P is also already known. It will be given. P is 2 minus 1, 1. So here since projection of OP is one of the line, then ds of OP equals to, here we take O 0 0 0, P is 2 minus 1 1. Now difference between x coordinates, y coordinates and z coordinates. So the point is same, 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 0 2, minus 1 minus 0 1, minus 1 1 minus 0 1. So these are the ds of the plane, these are the ds of the line. Now we get angle between, this plane and line. Angle between this plane and line. Let me take as some alpha. So here we take sin alpha. Here angle between, to find angle between plane and line. To find angle between plane and line, using the formula sin alpha equals to here a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2. Here we write square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. We take modulus. In that we write a1 a2. So 3 into 2, 6. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. 1 into 1 plus 1 by square root of, here 3 square, 9 plus 1 plus 1, root 11. Now we take 9 plus 1 plus 1. In also we have to write 4 plus 1 plus 1. That means 8 by root 11 into root 6. Root 11 into root 6. So therefore, sin alpha equals to 8 by root 66. From this one, here to find projection of OP. Projection of OP is adjacent side of this right angle triangle. So here, relation between adjacent side and projection OP, that is cosine. Now we take cos alpha. Cos alpha equals to square root 1 minus sin square alpha. So square root 1 minus sin square means 64 by 66. That is root over 2 by 66. Root over 2 by 66. This is cos alpha. Now here length of the projection OP equal to, here we take OQ mod OQ into cos theta. Sorry, cos alpha. So mod OQ value. Mod OQ value means, here we take 2 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, square root of, into cos alpha value square root 2 by 66. So this is 4 plus 1 plus 1, root 6, into, here we write root 2 by root 6 into root 11. 1 root 6 will be cancelled. Now the total value is root over 2 by 11. So this is the length of the projection. Using the condition, this is OQ. Cos alpha equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Now we take from that one, OP equals to mod OQ into cos alpha. Here we write cos alpha equals to OQ by OP. From this one, OP mod OP into cos alpha is always equals to OQ. So this is the formula. Using that formula and simplifying that, length of the projection is square root 2 by 11. This is the solution, which is in the option third one.